Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a stitch fix, number 91. Hopefully I'll make it to 92. So for those that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You actually fill out a style profile, pay them $20. They'll curate a box of 5 items. They are doing some testing now where some people get 8 items. I only get 5. They send you a preview of 10 items and you can select up to 5 to put in that preview. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. If you don't keep anything, you're charged that $20 styling fee. If you do keep something, that $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you keep in the box. Buy all 5 items, which is next to impossible for me, you get 25% off. So, did I break today's algorithm? If you've been watching me in the past, the last 2 boxes, I have not had much luck. I've just sent them all back. I have a closet full of clothes and I no longer work in the office. When I started Stitch Fix in 2018, I lost a ton of load of weight. I needed to replenish my work wardrobe. Then the pandemic hit. I no longer needed work clothes. I needed more casual clothes, and I ended up changing my style to be a lot more trendy versus office wear. And now my closet's full at 2023, and I'm very picky about what I add to my wardrobe. I have a no duplicates rule. I want things to be unique to me. And the last 2 boxes, it was tribal pants and Daniel Rain blouses pretty much. And I have those already. They're in my closet from when I used to work. So I don't pull for them that much. There's nothing wrong with them. I like the ones I have, so I'm not going to get rid of them. It's just not what I'm looking for at this stage in my life. You actually, on Stitch Fix, if you're not aware, I highly encourage people to use that thumbs up, thumbs down game and add things to your wish list. I counted, I have well over 100 items saved to my wish list. So it's not like Stitch Fix doesn't have things that don't interest me. They do interest me. They're just not giving them to me. So, there's really no excuse. I actually do order a lot from Freestyle. And when I order from Freestyle, almost all the items come from the Arizona warehouse. So hint, hint, Stitch Fix, maybe you should point my fixes to the Arizona warehouse, which, spoiler alert, they did for this round. So what ended up happening is I have the Style Pass, and I'm not so sure they're even offering the Style Pass anymore. My friend Shannon is my stylist. She actually also gets the Style Pass, and she was renewed. And she counted how many items I purchased over the year between my fix and Freestyle and hers, and they're about the same. So she's hopeful that I'll get renewed, but again, she has no insight. She was renewed. I'm hoping in July I'll be renewed. If I'm not, you're gonna see a lot less fixes from me. I order Trendsend as well, which is by Eve, but I only do it when I got a ton of items that on my wish list that I must have. I don't pay anybody a fee to curate things for me. I just don't believe in that unless I really think I'm gonna get something out of it, if that makes sense. I like to style my own clothes. I don't really need a stylist per se, although I do love my front door fashion because they do come up with unique ideas. All right, enough of that. What did I get in my fix? What's going on? So they sent me my preview. They asked me for a quick turnaround, and I said, why the hell not? I keep getting, I can get unlimited fixes. I might not get this service much longer come July. Why the hell not? So they asked me for a quick turnaround. I think I returned it on a Sunday. They said, you want to fix on Saturday? I didn't get it on a Saturday. I got it on Monday night last night at 7 o'clock, believe it or not. It did come from Arizona, so they must have known that Carolyn likes the Arizona warehouse, which I do. But when they gave my preview, again, it was Daniel Rain tops and tribal work pants, and I don't want that. Again, I'm not going into an office. So it was pretty abysmal for a quick turnaround. And I know it wasn't done by Shannon. It just came so quickly. And I literally said, okay, I kept 2 things. One of them being this t-shirt. You're like, Carolyn, really? You kept the t-shirt? Well, I do need a new t-shirt. I used to get Amazon Essential Tees and they were looking pretty ratty. And I tried to reorder them and I got them in and they changed their fabric on me and I no longer like them. So when this came up in my preview, it's the name brand Threads for Thought. I do like that name brand. It's 100% organic cotton, and I have a sweatshirt by them that's not cotton, but still super soft and comfortable. And I have some pajamas by them, and I have workout leggings by them. And I'm just happy with the brand overall. So this top is the Threads for Thought Odette Classic Jersey in white, extra small, $48. You're gonna go, Carolyn, $48 for a freaking t-shirt? You can get that at Target and Walmart. Yes, I know, I've been to Target looking at Walmart. They're just too thin, all right? And I've also been to Loft. I also think too thin. And this is 100% organic cotton. It's a nice tee. However, as I look in the viewfinder, it is also see-through, right? So I do like the scoop neck. They actually call it a crew neck, but in my mind, this is a scoop neck, and this lower neck I prefer. But you know, for $48, I don't want it see-through. I don't want a see-through t-shirt. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be sending this back. Again, it will depend on Stitch Fix math and everything else. But I do like this, the quality of this. I just don't like the fact that you can see my bra through it. And maybe I just have to suck it up and just get, you know, t-shirts where everyone sees my bra. I don't know. Have you guys found t-shirts that are thick enough that you don't see right through them like this? Nice quality though. Other than that, nice fit, super soft. Again, organic cotton. Really like how they Threads for washes and wears. And also it is, I guess, considered a sustainable company too, Threads for Thought. All right, I'm not going to describe the pants just yet, but the pants, I just wanted to point out, they're considered white, but you can see there is a color difference between the t-shirt and the pants. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece that I kept through my preview. Okay, the next thing that I kept from my preview is this sweater tank. This is Evolution by Cyrus, the Kiri fitted sweater tank in light gray, size extra small. And by the way, the t-shirt too, Threads for Thought t-shirt is an extra small, and I feel it ran true to size. This sweater is $65. It's a great basic. I don't have any light gray. I think I can wear this during the summer. It's light enough. I can wear this during the fall and even the winter if I layer a jacket over it or even another cardigan on top of this. Like the material, like the quality. It is 80% rayon, 20% nylon. I think this is going to be a keeper. This is a nice basic to add to my wardrobe. Do I need it? But no, it's a nice alternative to wearing beige. And it's also kind of what I'm looking for now is more the knits versus the polyesters. That said, I want to point out that this is really super long. I have no problem tucking it in. Keep in mind, I am 5'2", so this is coming probably below my hips, but I just wanted to let people know that it is a very long tank. But I'm fine with it. I'll just tuck it in or do a front tuck, you know. So I think this tank is a keeper. We're gonna have to move on to the next items and see how I feel about them, because the only thing that I'm not thinking right now is the white t-shirt, which it might just end up keeping it to be a 5 for 5. I don't know, we'll have to see. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop up on the next item. Oh wait, you know what, let me show you the back so you can see what the back looks like too, okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. When the box shipped out to me, you know, you can go and pretend like you're checking out. And I was pleasantly surprised by my items. So I text my stylist and I said, woo, you know, like all excited. And she goes, I don't know what it is. Maybe the algorithm figured it out and is now releasing stuff from your list. So the next 3 items were all things that I chose from my list. All right, so I'm thrilled and so excited to see these come in. All right, they're definitely things I'm interested in. So the next one is the Cloth and Stone sleeveless elastic neck ... in white, size extra small, $84. Now that's pricey, but Cloth and Stone is a pricey name brand. It is 54% cotton and then I think 40-something% tencel and let me see, I'll tell you. 54% cotton, 45 tencel, 1% elastane, all right? It has this crinkle style fabric. It has the high neck, but it's not too tight. It's semi-bra friendly. If I was wearing my racerback, I'd be fine. It's fine under the arms, but notice something, completely sheer. So again, for that, it is going back. you know, if it weren't sheer, I mean, I don't want to wear a cami under my summer tops. This is like a nice, lightweight summer top that you don't, when it's like 90 something degrees and hot and humid, you can wear, be stylish and comfortable. But you can't because it's completely see-through. I don't want to wear anything underneath this. So for that, this is going back, Stitch Fix. Now I'm convinced I'm going to send the tee back too, because I just don't want to deal with something that's see-through. It does have this cute little cutout here in the back too. Again, it's still bra friendly. I like that. Darn, I wish this weren't see-through because I really like this top. I think it's really cute. And I have racerback bras that I wear all the time. I don't mind wearing a racerback. I like everything else about it. I just don't like the fact that it is so sheer. Okie dokie. All right, give me a minute. Oh, actually, let me describe the pants while I got them on. So the next one are, again, these were on my wish list. The Sanctuary, reissue, high rise, wide leg, cargo pant in white, extra small, $139. These are on the Nordstrom site. I have them on my wish list on the Nordstrom site. Janine got these in her fix, I believe, in a dark olive green. She had the same issue as I did, but I'll just wear my heels. They are quite long. If I wear my heels, I'm okay. I don't own a pair of white pants. I have two pairs of white jeans. One a straight leg Democracy and one that I just got this year from White House Black Market in boot cut. I have a pair of ivory, very tight cargos, and I have two pairs of ivory jeans. But I don't have any pair of white pants. So the fact that they're wide leg, the fact that they're a casual style, I don't think they're see-through. They don't seem see-through to me. I'll look back at the footage. But I think I'm going to keep these. These are, again, these aren't, they're an extra small, which I kind of find weird in pants to not have sizing, but they're an extra small and they're nice, comfortable. These are 97% cotton, 3% spandex, really nice quality pants. And these are also, what do they call them? They're like, I guess, consciously made, you know, they're organic, not organic, but sustainably made. Yeah, correct. Smart creation, made sustainably. Like them a lot, like the material. So these, I'm pretty sure are a keeper, but I'll look back at the footage. So now we have two yeses, the gray tank, the white pants, and two no's, this top and the white t-shirt. They're just two see-through. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the last piece. Next item, and I'm so excited to get this. Again, this is on my wish list and I'm shocked that she was able to pick it and pull it and put it in my box. They're calling this the Aiden Cardigan. It's by Saltwater Luxe. She also knows it's a name brand that I like. They're calling this light gray, and yes, there is light gray in it, but I would say there's a lot more mint green than light gray in this little cardigan. Extra small, $88. Yes, it's pricey. Saltwater Luxe is pricey, but they have some cute, unique things. So let me read to you what this is made out of, because there's quite a bit of materials. This is not sustainable. 18% viscose, 41% acrylic, 12% nylon, 2% well, and 27 PBT, which I don't know what that stands for, but I think it's like a polyester synthetic type of thing. Love it. So I don't have to have sustainable. I don't have to, but I tend to do like those fabrics. But sometimes style overwins me, and this style does. It's a crop style. It has the balloon sleeves. If it didn't have the balloon sleeves, I don't know or it had some other kind of sleeve, I don't know if I would like this because it is a little bit oversized on me, but it's cropped, so that's why I like it too. Oh, it's cute. And you know what? You're going to say, oh, it's not natural. You're going to sweat in it. This is perfectly fine for spring and even summer in the air condition. It's very lightweight. Adorable, love it. Don't have anything this type of style at all. Yeah, this is staying. This is staying. To me, even though $88 is a lot of money, like $88 is a lot of money, Carolyn. Yeah, I know it's a lot of money, but to me, it's worth it. I like it. It's a unique style. It would make me happy wearing it, and I'm at the point in my life that I'm not going to deny myself, you know, for an extra $20 or $30. You know, I do have my breaking point, and pretty much $100 is my breaking point. But for a little bit more, for something that gives me such joy, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to deny myself, if that makes sense. So I'm not going to go crazy and put myself in debt, but I'm not going to deny myself for a little extra luxury. So for me, this is worth it. I think this is adorable. So that wraps up my fix. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing some slightly different items. I'm gonna do the Stitch Fix math, but I'm pretty sure I'm returning the cloth and stone top, which was $84, and the t-shirt, which is $48, because they're just both see-through. I love the pants. I'm just gonna look back at the footage, make sure they're not completely see-through, which I don't think they are, because they feel like a thicker fabric. And then the gray tank, I like it. It's a basic, and this sweater is just adorable. I looked in the mirror above and I went, oh, it's so cute. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me that thumbs up. And hopefully the next fix will be just as good. Take care, and until next time.